Hi, this is Chris Roshnaw, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're taking a look at and unboxing the Belkin Acoustics by Divalet SOUNDFORM Elite. It also comes with Google Assistant technology and wireless charging for your smartphone. So it's like 3 devices in one, but it probably does a little bit more than that. We'll go into the box right now. And most people have technology in their home to hear them and listen to them. We're doing the unboxing right now, and we'll show you the products in just a second. And the last thing in the box is this. So now we're going to take the box away. So Belkin includes this quick information pack on how to get started. You plug it in, you download the app for your iPhone or your Android, and here's all the different controls right there. So that's easy to set up, and it's voice activated, so that's nice. I like how they put it in a nice bag as well. It kind of looks like a HomePod. So if you've seen those from Apple, that's what this looks like. I'll take the cover off. And we really enjoy this color. They have this color and possibly a white version as well. So this is where you would put your phone right here with wireless Qi charging technology. And I've already used this wireless charger to charge a phone, and it did it perfectly. Got it working no problem. So here is the covering all the way around. It's exactly the same. There is a little bit of an incline right here going up in the back. And it's just simple as setting your phone down to charge, and then you can ask it to do things with the Google Assistant. Here's some more text right there, and then the charging brick. So we're not surprised that it's a little bit larger, because it does need power to power your phone and to power the unit itself. But in the back, they thought of almost everything. This plugs in completely flat, so there's no bumps or anything right here. And this is a rubber bottom, so it won't slip or create a ring of color on your table. So that's one thing that this does that the HomePod does not do. The HomePod can ruin a nice wooden table or any other table because the color leaks out of the surrounding area here. So this will not do that. It has the rubber bottom, and we most like that it has a charging top. It's pretty simple. This is Chris Roshnaw, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.